Greetings from National Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2011 Cadillac CTS-V. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. This beautiful red wine color. Very nice. Black wheels on it. Looks really sharp. Super sporty. It's got the V engine on it, which is a V8. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. We'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Taking a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition, super clean throughout. Look at that. It's got fog lights there on the bottom. Looks so sharp. Look at that. Beautiful grille there on the bottom. Take a look at the headlamps. Headlamps look amazing, look brand new. Center grille looks beautiful. Very nice. Headlamp on the passenger side, also in outstanding condition. Beautiful shape. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Taking a look at the passenger door, also in beautiful condition, very nice. Look at the mirror, outstanding condition. Paint looks really nice on this vehicle, super clean throughout. Does have a small little dent right there, can't even notice it, but it's right there, nothing major. Quarter panel. Passenger side looks amazing. Very nice condition. It's got also two small little dents right here. Besides that, looks good. Let's walk around the back. Rear bumper looks amazing. Super clean, very nice condition. Taking a look at the rear trunk lid, also in beautiful condition. Very nice. Look at those lights in the back. They look brand new. Very nice condition. Super clean. Take a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice shape. It's really nice. Has a little dent right here on this chrome molding. Has another little scratch right there. And on this molding here, also a couple little dents right there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the driver door, beautiful condition. Got a small little dent right there, nothing major. Taking a look at the front fender on the driver's side, looks clean throughout, very nice condition. Did notice has a tiny little touch up right there. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood looks good, beautiful condition. Very nice, nothing to show there. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the windshield, also in beautiful condition. Don't see anything to show there either. Very nice shape. Up above here does have a small little scuff right here. On the roof, glass looks good. It's got a couple small dents up here on the roof. One here, one there. Can't really notice it, but it's there. See if there's anything else to show. Rear glass looks good. It's also another little dent right there. Besides that, looks beautiful. Okay, well, that's gonna conclude our walk around on this 2011 CTS-V. Stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior, then we'll take it for a quick test drive. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Memory seat for the driver, very nice. Controls for the mirrors and the windows and the locks. Door panel's in really nice shape. It's got the suede right here. Leather wrapped, very nice. Beautiful condition. Let's take a closer look here at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Leather with center with the center accent here in the middle. Very nice. Recaro seats. Rugs are clean. Dashboard looks beautiful. Very nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rear. Outstanding. Look at that. Look brand new. The suede inserts in the middle. Those emblems from the V package. Very nice. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, really outstanding shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Look at that. This is the control to open the door. When you press that, it automatically opens. Look at the controls for the window and the locks. Taking a look at the passenger seat, really nice. Has like suede in the center, leather all the way around. These are Recaro seats, very nice, full power on both sides. Look at the emblem for the V package. Rugs are clean, looks amazing. Dashboard's in beautiful condition, very nice. Let's take a look at the rear on this side. Rear seat look very nice. They also have the emblems. That's the suede in the center with the leather. Very nice. We're sitting inside this 2011 Cadillac CTS-V Coupe. Okay, those are the key fobs for it. We got two of them here. Lock, unlock, trunk release, panic. Very nice. Here's one. Here's the other one. 2011. This one's a 6-speed manual. Very nice. Now, as long as you have those keys in the car with you, you should be able to start it right up. So we're going to go ahead and press the brake, and we're going to turn this knob right here. As soon as we do that, see all the lights turn on there in the dash. So let's go ahead and start it up. There you go. Look at that. The screen pops up there in the center. Really nice. Make sure we have it in neutral here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features on this one. Let's take a close look here. Look at the mileage. We're looking at 47,875 miles. All the gauges are fully functional. Accelerate, you see the RPMs go up. Look at that. Really nice. Okay, let's take a closer look here. Automatic lights, fog lights. There's the controls right there. Controls for the wipers. This is to open the door. You press this button and it opens the door for you. So if you just press it, it automatically pops it open for you. Really nice. Looking down here, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seat for the driver. It's got an information center there. Cruise control on the steering wheel. It also has Bluetooth. It looks like it has Bluetooth here. That's for the volume up and down. Very cool. Okay, let's take a closer look here. That's the controls for the air conditioning on the driver's side. It's got also air conditioned seats. You just turn them on there. It had heated seats also. There you go. You can see it turns like that. Very nice. This is the controls for the radio, navigation, all that good stuff there. Up above here, you can see that there. You press navigation screen. And you click on caution here, agree. There you go. You can see the nav screen there. Really nice. So temperature controls here. It's got the information center there. You can control the radio. This actual display is not working right on this side. You could actually get the AC to come out on both sides the same, but it doesn't have individual controls. But we'll go ahead and try to bring it down here. And then here's the button for the AC on this side on the seats. As you can see, the heat works on that side, but for some reason the cold does not. So the vehicle's being sold like that, just the way you see it. So this screen doesn't work right. So for some reason this is not really showing what's happening there. Let's take a close look here at the analog clock. Very nice. You could lower and raise the screen whatever you like. If you don't want to have the screen up, you could put it back down. That's a nice feature. 6-speed manual. That's the parking brake there. It's equipped with OnStar. It's got programmable garage door openers. It's got a sunroof on it. We'll open that in a moment. Let's take a look at the dashboard. Dashboard looks brand new. Really outstanding condition. Very nice. Bose system. Really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and test out the roof. It has a shade here which goes back, and then this roof just pops up in the back here. That's all it does. It does not go all the way back. It just pops up for you, and then the shade, you can close it again. Really nice. Okay, let's take a quick look at the navigation system now. So it says it has traffic. You could subscribe to that to have the traffic warnings and stuff like that. The AM FM, it has also XM radio. You can subscribe to that also. You got full map up there. Let's see if you're going to select a destination. You'll put points of interest. You could put the address or whatever if you like. Let's go points of interest, and then browse categories. So there you go. You can go through all the categories, figure out what you want to see: sports and entertainment, lodging, whatever. Click on that. It shows you the hotels in the area. You could actually select one here. Like, let's say we're going to select this one. Then it shows you the phone number and everything you could actually call. Looks pretty cool. So let's go back to the navigation screen again. This is the audio screen right there. Configuration screen for the sound, which is pretty cool. Okay, that's pretty much it. Really in beautiful condition. Really nice. It's got some space here on the top for paperwork. It's got another one on the bottom here. It's got a USB plug there. It's got a auxiliary plug and a power plug there. Okay, well, that's about it. So stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. So we're all set to take it for a little test drive. We already have it in first gear here. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Really nice, a lot of power. It's only in third gear there, guys. Super smooth. It's really nice. Drives perfect. Really nice drive. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look under the hood and take a look at those tires. Feature this vehicle has is backup camera. So you just put it in reverse. Automatically the screen comes up on top there, so you can see exactly which way you're rolling back. And then it also has parking sensors in the back which beep and let you know when you're getting close. Really nice feature. When you get it out of gear, it goes back to regular mode there. Very nice. We're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Extra clean. Down below here, this vehicle has a little compressor there for air, and it also has a cargo net down there. Very nice. Taking a look under the hood, engine compartment is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. This one is the engine that's supercharged V8. It's Beautiful vehicle. Looks all original. Very nice. Really outstanding shape. Taking a look at the front tire on this Cadillac CTS-V. Tire looks brand new. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Michelin tires all the way around. These black wheels, really nice. It's got those special calipers from the V package. Really in beautiful condition. Look at that. Amazing. Taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks really nice. Look at that. Amazing condition. Beautiful shape. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Looks so sharp. Look at that. Michelin tires all the way around. Very nice. Beautiful condition. We're taking a look at the rear tires on the passenger side. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Got the tire tread on there. Really nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Let's take a closer look here. Really beautiful condition. Rims look brand new. It's the calipers there. Special upgraded calipers and braking system for a V. Really outstanding condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tires in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Really outstanding shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a close look there. Really outstanding condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2011 Cadillac CTS-V. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. National Auto Sale LLC.com. Thanks for watching.